Hi guys, DIY with Elle here, and I'm back with another DIY video, and this time I want to show you how to paint a floor. Painting a floor can be for the interior home or exterior, like what I'm doing with this patio floor and patio makeover. And I know sometimes people get nervous when you mention floor paint, but I don't want you to be nervous, because when you use the right product in the right way, following the correct steps, I'm telling you, you will gain a great finish that is long-lasting.
I chose the color in dark grey for my Plascon floor paint. I also popped into the paint club for my paint, as they are the Plascon paint experts with great advice, and they stock a variety of paintbrushes and Plascon paint products.
So happy to be partnering with these amazing brands and products to help me with my DIY floor paint project that is a part of my patio makeover. Alright, so let's get started. First things first, the first step is preparation, and preparation is key. I'm going to use the sugar soap. It is a cleaner, a gentle but powerful one, which will do just fine in making sure there's no dust or dirt on the floor before I start priming.
I am using this multi-surface primer from Plascon in white, with this professional mohair roller from Hamilton's, and the extension pole that has an easy twist open action. Mix your paint thoroughly and decant into your tray. When painting the floor of a space, remember to start in the innermost corner. I'm also making use of my Vela mini roller in 110mm. This is perfect for the edges and smaller surface areas. In addition to that, I'm using a 50mm paintbrush from the professional brush range from Hamilton's. This is to get into the hard to reach places to make sure all surfaces are covered. Loading the paint roller into my tray and making sure that I have enough paint on my roller, using smooth back and forth motions to spread the paint. And just like a wall, you do the edges first with the smaller paintbrush and roller, and then I fill in the larger surface area using my bigger roller. I'm applying the coat and allowing it to dry. Now I can use my Super Soaker mat and lay that down, because I don't want droplets of this paint going onto the adjacent paving. And I'm just finishing the coat of primer that is needed for this floor paint project. And it's done, and I'm going to allow it to dry from 24 to 48 hours. The weather was great and the primer is fully dry, and I'm back the very next day to apply the first coat of floor paint. I'm using the exact same trays and rollers, and in the exact same way I load the paint onto the rollers. Start with the edges and corners with the smaller paintbrush and roller, and then fill in the larger surface areas. This extension pole from Hamilton's really made the work of painting a floor much easier. Just doing the edges with my Vela roller, which has ultra-fine Vela fiber, which eliminates bubbling during painting. The mohair roller that I am using has a high-quality natural wool blend, short pile resulting in less paint splatter on surfaces. And it's virtually lint-free. I've applied all the coats, and I've painted my way from the innermost corner of the floor space right through to the exit. Here is the before, and after 2 coats of floor paint after the primer, here is the after. It looks so smooth, crisp, clean and up to date, and took away all those terrible stains and outdated look. I'm very happy with how this patio turned out. Just changing the floor and a couple of accessories makes it look brand new and not outdated and worn out. So the next time you think of painting a floor, remember that the job can be done if you follow the correct steps, all the instructions, and use the right products. And remember, keep smiling and DIYing.